Oh God. Where this name?
Cashew. This cashew.
No, you know what is?
This cashew.
You don't know what is? This
It's cashew.
This apple.
It's cashew.
Your mouth make a sound cashew when you eat
cashew.
it.
This cashew.
This is
Guy, this called this cashew.
This is apple.
This is cashew.
Oh God.
Yeah, cashew. I love it.
Wait. So, I'll take a wipe off here.
No, just give me some water, Moshe. Vlog girl, me sick. Morning. But yeah, I look up pale. The start of my morning. Watch this. Inside! That's how you call in Guyana.
Yeah.
Okay, you got Panadol?
Panadol?
Yeah. How much for the Panadol, buddy?
I get ibuprofen.
You got hybrid what?
Ibuprofen.
It can that be used for cold and sinus? I don't feel well people from about 2 nights ago. Wake up with a bad cold. So this for cold and sinus? Advil? Yeah. Okay, how much for it? Oh shoot, 140 something? Yeah. I don't have enough money on me. Can I owe you? Can I owe you? Yeah, all I need to do is remember this lane. Alright. Thank you. Who could I call when I come back, or could I just call inside?
Just call for inside.
Okay. Thank you so much. Alright, vlog real. Just get an Advil. Hopefully the Advil can help. And you see that? Them owe me some good people in Guyana. Yeah, let's go. We have a far way to walk.
Even the nation take a push on me one, she's so for them. That's so for them. How you know? That's so for them. How for yourself? Because I'm honest in your store foot. When people used to always trouble on the scene, they can want plant, they can want from you used to do that. I know why. Because you can remember that. That when they take it, you see how I was done. You can't remember. It was me. And then they box. And then. Wait, that was press on them. Yeah. It was on them. It was Denzel.
And then, that man back there right there. You should have been me grandson. Remember the day? Just sang when you play that one. I think you use the for truth. You went to it, please. It was me, Saeed, and Denzel. Oh, Denzel.
Oh, yeah, remember. We're with the cutlass.
Alright. Should have been one of the
We're with the cutlass.
But I think me, Buckman,
Denzel,
and Saeed there, you could Elaine.
Oh, it was
Where
that when I walk by 2 man, remember when I bring them bags? And then when I been weak, I don't remember.
I've been weak.
And then after with the man in Rob, what did they get vexed?
You run up with the cutlass.
Good grandson.
We didn't know we
Son. Oh, when I fetch something, I know.
Sun, right? The sun ring can't come till by this side.
You know something.
You
got
to go water.
When all of each other
And the kid say, yo, stop playing the water.
I went up on the tree and I stop playing on the tree and like Terry.
Box you.
But then I'm going back.
Let's play water.
That's that.
And Rob, what's your back, son? You should be one of my grandson when you run to the cutlass.
Yeah, you run with the cutlass.
He end up getting
I don't know about that. Nobody want to be.
Tell what we know about. I tell her to see that.
That's what you know about. Let me tell you.
I tell her to see that soul food.
Oh, that's in that soul for that time. Me tell you. You know when
So vlog girl, it's now 12:27. My flight is like 5 something in the morning. But you don't know if we reach the airport like 2 hours before. Or 3 to be very safe, isn't it? But it's a 2-hour drive from which we're there to go to the airport. So I'm not even about to sleep, is it? I'm just check in, I don't know. Because a lot of things I don't get for post. And I just say, you know what? I'm going to enjoy my experience for once. I put myself first, isn't me? Yeah, me eat the crocodile. I go Berbice, Cargill. The hospitality we get from the Guyanese people, them A1, isn't me? So I just done pack up my suitcase and all of them stuff there. I'm about to get a nice shower. So I'm do right now, I just want to vibe outside. As you call the place cool and nice. Rainfall, a Guyana almost every single day since there. So a lot of the vlogs that will never get to happen was because of the rain. But on the other hand, me just want to enjoy myself, because it's a vacation nonetheless. I can't really like force to put out everything on the camera and then me enjoy it for myself, isn't it? It was a good experience. If you're thinking about visiting Guyana, you can, but visiting at them carnival time or whatever, isn't it? Because otherwise, we don't really know what them do for fun other than drinking. Then people drink a lot and eat a lot of food. Rainfall will eat pure something at the place. So if you come Guyana, what the hell? Something fly across the sky, but if you come Guyana, consider that is me Oliver swamp right through the place, swamps. Some of the place nice. The people them love Jamaican culture. Always a listen dance and music and thing. So we have play domino since night. We play domino every night. Is me have a new style a domino for bring a Jamaica where 3 I wanna play. If A and B go 1 each, C have to get up and the next person come play. So them play it that way to make sure it not take too long for done and people get eliminated quickly. I like that. So if A go 2 and then B final go 1, C have to get up. You see me? And if A go 3, B and C have to get up from off of the table. So it's nice. I like that. It make the whole game exciting. All 9 people they on the board one time and watch and I wait for come on. Yeah. We're leaving now. Early hours of the morning. And it's flight time.
Frequently. So to reinforce what you already know and to enable those around you to hear our safety procedures, we ask that you give us your full attention. Please fasten your seatbelts now. To do this, insert the flat metal tongue into the buckle. Pull on the loose end of the strap to tighten. To release, lift the top of the buckle and pull across.
In preparation for takeoff, bring your chair to the upright position and stow your tray table. Open your window shades and put your armrest down. Please observe the fasten seatbelt and no smoking signs. Blankets must not be used at this time. The emergency exits are clearly marked with red and white exit signs. There are 4 exit doors on the Boeing 737, 2 on either side of the aircraft, each equipped with an evacuation slide which inflates automatically.
Good morning from the cockpit. I'm your First Officer Nigel Pigas, and Commander, your flight this morning is Captain Patrick Fong. Just about ready to push back, and the details of the flight departing today. The climbing turn up to the left, up to 38,000 feet, with a flying time to Piarco of just about 55 minutes.
Love all your waistline, I go round. Vlog girl, as you can see, I'm back in my house. I've been back here for a few days, but I've never said anything. Hey, Booby. Hey, Booby. I've been here a few days, but you don't know me. I give back my wife some time and thing. Right now, I just tell her the breakfast, yeah, it look like so I just reach through. So I deserve to put on that piece, upon whichever piece of vlog when I watch this piece or whatever. I think I have a little story time to give you about Guyana, and then you don't know we circling back fully, you see me. But let me just give you a little peep on my breakfast, because this is the real coming home breakfast. Love how your waistline I go round. Minty. Hey, anyway, it feels so good to be back, but right now I just go and do my thing. So I think I'm gonna check in real soon. See, but when I get to see that part up on the flag. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but when I see it, I'll see it.